Welcome to how to call name speak your mobile phone. So in this video we are going to show you how to call name speak your mobile phone. So before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you're gonna have to do, you will just simply go into the settings of your iPhone, then you will scroll down and you will find phone. Okay, so tap on phone and here it says announce calls, so simply tap on this, and if it's never, tap on always. Okay, now what this will do, that always announce incoming calls when second generation airport and some paid headphones are connected. You can answer a call without saying hey Siri. So now when someone calls you, iPhone will basically calls the name of that person, and in this way you will know that who is basically calling you. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.